come guys, I've got a couple of questions for you all. As we suddenly have this wonderful furniture collection which has also appeared. This is something I curated.
Reason.
Please, reason. With purpose.
Sir, please put in there.
No, sir, there is more on the way, so please don't be worried. It's just on the way. It's on the way. Like my career. But guys, while they set this up, I've got a couple of questions.
I'm sorry, guys.
As we also are introducing the world's lowest coffee table. It's the Hobbit collection, which is just launching next year. Come, please. Yeah. Now that we've rearranged the furniture and that's sorted, and it's a good thing that no one's out of frame. Ria, I wanted to start with you a couple of questions. One is, I went through your collection. It's really, it's beautiful, man. Yes, I did. Did I try on any clothes? Yes, maybe. But the thing is, there's a lot of really quirky elements that you guys have added to it, right? I saw the occasional phantom cigarette, the Natraj pencil. There's a fair bit of nostalgia from the 90s which exists in your collection. What is the reason that you guys chose to do that?
See, the thing is that when we started to think about making a collection, the idea was that, you know, we are really the customer. We are normal girls from Juhu, and we wanted to make the collection about who we are and where we come from. And there's been so much, you know, sort of portrayal of pop culture when you look at European brands or American brands, but there really hasn't been any when you look at a modern Indian urban brand. And, you know, these are the things that Sonam and I grew up with. My mother was very strict with us. We were not allowed, like, to have, you know, soft drinks. We were not allowed to really eat sugar. My mother used to lock, and she still locks the chocolates in the house and keeps them. Okay, like, this is the way that my house functions. So when we used to go back from school, on our way back, we had pocket money. We used to get 50 rupees or 150 rupees a week. I don't remember what it was.
Yeah, you may have gotten 150 rupees. I used to get 80 rupees.
Yeah, but I'm saying, so we used to go back, and there used to be like a proper, like, kinare ki dukaan, and we would sit and we would have like you know, Max oranges and Phantom cigarettes and candies and things like that. And this is what you grew up with. You know, you went to Chanda and you bought a samosa, you got your Simba chips. Like, this was your life. So we were just really inspired by that, and we wanted to do something that could be like an inside joke for just, you know, Desi girls. Like, you get this, I get this. This is what we both know. Nobody else in the world would get this. This is what we grew up with. This is ours, you know.
This is our pop culture.
Yeah. And that's really what it was. We're really proud of where we came from. We really love where we come from. And we just wanted to show that in the most fun way that we could.
Right. And that really does show. It's a huge celebration of stuff that I think no matter who you are, where you're from, it's the glue that all of us have been bound by in many ways. Everyone's grown up with these things, you know, and it's a beautiful form of nostalgia. Now, it's a long-term process, right? You guys are going to be creating lines constantly.
Govind will say that we really harrowed them.
Govind's not speaking only.
I can't.
So what is, now I'm curious to know, this is what this drop looks like. What does the next drop look like? And it's available for a look also in the next room, correct?
Correct. So basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to keep it as fresh and interesting for our girls as we possibly can. So our first drop is influenced by where we grew up, and then comes where we are at now, you know. So we have the emoji collection, which is like, I'm obsessed with emojis. Sonam and I are both obsessed with everything to do with the internet. We love social media. And I feel like, you know, for young girls, the internet sometimes becomes a negative place. Like, people judge you, or they say, you know, crap about you that you don't really want to hear because they're hiding behind a username. But you can take that culture and you can make it positive. You know, you can wear something on your outfit that says exactly what you feel in that moment. And there is something really strong about a piece of clothing that makes you feel exactly the way you want to feel in that moment, and says what you want to say in that moment. And it's a fun way to do it. So the 90s nostalgia is where we came from, and the emoji collection is kind of where we're at now. And then there's the Mithai collection, which is our contemporary Indian. So we did Mogra, and then we have Mithai. So basically, Sonam is obsessed with mithai. Yeah. And mithai is really pretty, and I've seen so many cupcakes and macaroons and all on like Western dresses.
Culture, which is not a culture, and so it was easy to, it wasn't easy, but the idea is to put the modern Indian girl to make them comfortable with what we are trying to show them.
Yeah, and they're such beautiful shapes and they're so pretty, and why not celebrate them? And mithai makes everybody happy. Like, if mithai doesn't make you happy, then I can't be your friend.
Just don't eat your clothes, basically.
You can eat our clothes. If something happens,
Yeah.
you can email Govind.
Yeah. You come there, someone's lying down with a wardrobe overloaded. Sonam, I have a question for you. Why did you choose, when you guys decided to curate and design a brand, why did you choose a high street brand instead of high-end luxury? That's a question that I'm curious about.
First of all, we wanted to make it. I know when people look at me and they're like, oh my God, there's this 5'9" actress person who walks the red carpet at Cannes. And the idea was to bring who I am and what my sister is to a contemporary young Indian girl who can't necessarily afford the kind of clothes actresses wear, but wants to be as glamorous and comfortable. So it's affordable glamour, affordable luxury, according to me, because the fabrics are amazing, the designs are very well thought of. And I made it, Riya and I made it for young Indian girls and women who work, who go to college, who want certain fabrics, who want certain silhouettes. I know all of y'all know that I've battled with body issues. I've written about it. I've spoken about it for many, many years. And it's been a journey. So when I wear my clothes, they're almost like a shield, so that people don't see my body, but they see what I'm wearing. And I don't want girls to feel that. I want them to be comfortable. My sister feels a similar way. And so we wanted it to be so accessible, affordable, and we didn't want them to be intimidated by the clothes, and they had to be glamorous and fashionable and fun. So that's what it is.
Right. And congratulations, you guys are almost already sold out. It's like crazy.
The sizes are going really fast. Our bags have gone pretty fast. Can't believe it half of the time, but when Govind says something to me, I'll believe him.
Yeah, we believe you, Govind.
So Govind, here's the question for you. As we love the stuff, we've talked a lot about it, but can you tell us where all will the collection be available? How can it all be accessed?
So as of now, it's available in 20 stores. By the end of second half, we should be available all 80 stores. It is also available online and on our app as well.
As of
so
now.
the whole India can access it.
We just went online now.
Yeah.
So
Right now.
We're on shopperstop.com. We have our
and on the
site.
app, right? That's
That's
so.
right.
And the full collection is officially available now. Earlier it was just the campaign images and we were tweaking the website, and now
It's all there.
It's all there, guys. So you can.
Oh my
buy it.
God.
So post this, you know where you're going. But guys, we're also going to open up questions from the audience. If there are any things you guys want to ask, any questions about the line, the clothes, or anything, we're going to pass a mic around. So I believe that is not a question. Yeah. So anyone? Yes, ma'am. Can we pass a mic to the lady, please? We're on our way. Could you stand up, ma'am? Yeah. You could stand up and ask the question. There's a mic right there. 1 second. There you go.
Hi, Sonam.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, so my question is both of you. So, as your reason is I'm sorry. Okay, so reason is completely showcase a cherishing childhood theme. So I just want to know, is there any like a most embarrassing or quirky nickname of yours which your parents has addressed it?
My parents called me what? My dad
Nickname.
used
Embarrassing nickname.
nicknames. My father used to call me Giraffe because I had a really long neck.
Amba. Amba. So tall.
And
I remember.
And my family and my friends call me Senior now.
Senior Kapoor.
Senior giraffe.
My sister's always had been the cool one, so nobody ever tried to make
I just
her.
had like Ryu, Riri.
Yeah.
My new friend calls me Riri.
Yeah.
And yeah, dude, just like, oh, Boni Chacha used to call me Chipkali. Because I was so skinny and I was so, like, I didn't like eating when I was young and I was just like
I don't know
skinny.
what happened.
And then all of a sudden, around 13, 14, I was like, food. I went insane. But yeah, that was my nickname. I wish people called me Chipkali and I'd be like, thanks.
Thanks. Could you
Sonam,
pass it
Riya,
around?
आपके राइट मेरा सवाल है कि बचपन की कुछ अगर यादें आप शेयर कर सकें, कपड़ों के लिए कभी लड़ाई झगड़े होते थे एक दूसरे के कपड़ों के साथ, कुछ ऐसा?
बचपन में मेरी जो हम लड़ाई तो कभी नहीं करते थे। रिया और मैं बहुत ही करीब हैं बचपन से ही। और मेरी माँ जो है वो एक फैशन डिज़ाइनर होती थी। वो कपड़े बनाती थी। तो हमारी जो चाइल्डहुड है वो कपड़ों मतलब फैशन और फिल्म से बहुत भरपूर, बहुत ही देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ दैट, बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी ऐसी। तो हाँ, बहुत सारी ऐसी यादें हैं। पर हमारे एक बहुत ही साधारण सिंपल वे ऑफ लिविंग था 90s में। हमारे पास सेल फोन्स नहीं थे, हमारे पास सोशल मीडिया इतना नहीं था, कंप्यूटर्स बहुत कम चलते थे। हम जाते थे तो एक बॉक्स होता था कंप्यूटर के लिए, और 1 घंटा मिलता था एक हफ्ते में कंप्यूटर के साथ खेलने में। और मोडेम होते थे इंटरनेट के लिए जब मैं 15 साल की थी। यू रिमेंबर दैट?
Of course, everything took 1 hour to.
डायल अप होता था। और फिर आई थिंक जब मैं 15-17 साल की थी तभी ICQ, याहू मैसेंजर, हॉटमेल, ये सब शुरू हो गया। You know that what is it? SA और sex age और ASL. Oh my God, मुझे ये सब याद है। तो वो सब बहुत धीरे धीरे शुरू हुआ। मगर मुझे याद है रिया, और मुझे याद है जब बचपन में हमारे जो वांट्स और नीड्स थे वो बहुत ही सिंपल थे। और हम वो ही चीज़ हमारे कपड़ों में लाना चाहते हैं, टू सिंप्लीफाई लाइफ, टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिंपल ब्यूटीज ऑफ लाइफ। एंड दैट वाज द होल आइडिया। जब रिया हम स्वीट्स और थोड़े थोड़े कैंडी सिगरेट्स के साथ और ये सारी चीज़ें को दिखा रहे हैं हमारे कपड़ों के तौर। बट दैट्स व्हाट वी ट्राई टू रिक्रिएट।
So our company, Sonam and I, the first company that we started together is named after my nani, Duru. And
Draupadi, but we
but
won't
everyone
call
called
her
her Duru. And so basically, the thing is, my nana worked in the State Bank of India. And he had a very high post, but my nani used to always tell me that they didn't have a lot of money to spend on like clothes or things like that. They had a very beautiful home and they had everything, but the disposable income was less because he was a very simple man, my nana. So my nani taught herself how to stitch clothes. She taught herself how to do flowers. She taught herself how to bake. And that creativity came into my mother and my masi. And I think that her spirit sort of lives in us.
Yeah.
And she was a very simple woman who loved music and loved clothes and loved flowers and loved all the most amazing things in life that you can get at any price. It doesn't matter. It's not about it being expensive. So that's basically the idea, the soul of the brand. Yeah.
आपकी ब्रांड के कपड़े कई इंडस्ट्री के आपके दोस्तों तक भी पहुंचे थे, उनके कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स भी आए होंगे।
हाँ जी।
कोई पर्टिकुलर कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो याद आता हो आज?
रिया, मैं और शॉपर स्टॉप ने वी मेड श्योर कि हर जो इंडस्ट्री में जो भी लड़कियां हैं, हमारे जो भी दोस्त हैं, जो भी फैशन एडिटर्स हैं, प्रेस में जो भी हैं, हमने उन सबको रीजन के कपड़े भेजे। और हमने कभी किसी को नहीं कहा कि ये पोस्ट कीजिए। उन सब ने अपने आप पोस्ट किया है, क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि हम जो भी काम करते हैं वो हम स्पेशली वेयर इट कम्स टू फैशन हम दिल से करते हैं। और ये हमारे लिए एक मॉनेटरी, आई मीन वी ऑल वांट टू मेक मनी गोविंद, बट ये हमारे लिए
Govind smiled.
पर ये हमारे इट्स नॉट अबाउट मनी, इट्स नॉट अबाउट सेलिंग, इट इज अबाउट saying, it's about passion. It's about saying that there is no reason that you can't do anything. You can do whatever you set, especially for girls and women out there. There is no reason you can't do anything. There's every reason to just look forward and be empowered, and that is the whole idea also behind Reason.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Hi Riya, hi Sonam, Hesha here.
Hi.
First of all, congratulations on Reason.
Thank you.
We've all seen the collection, and I have this one question that I want to know personally. Out of everything that you guys have made for all the other girls out there, which one's your favorite? Like one outfit that you and Riya both love the most?
I honestly really like the saris, but because we made it for young Indian girls, it's a little
Average
short
Indian
for
girl
me.
is 5'6".
Yeah, I like Indian girl sizes. I'm just a giant human being. So we're going to hopefully make clothes for tall girls also. Yeah. But I love everything. For me, the denim is amazing. I'm not somebody who's ever been comfortable wearing denim. and we made it so that the jeans fit just a little high enough. You know how we don't like wearing, Indian girls really don't like wearing low-rise jeans, right? So they're high rise and they're stretchy, so nothing like comes out
And they hold you.
oozes out. They hold you. I'm sorry, guys, too much information. But I really like the jeans, and I love my mom's jacket. It's called the mom's jacket. It's been inspired by my mom's old jacket, and I really like that. So yeah.
So I love the palazzo sari, what I'm wearing right now. Basically, I love wearing saris because I'm a curvier girl, you know, and I just feel like more younger in them, and I just feel sexier in them. But because, you know, you go out to a Sangeet and you have a couple of drinks or whatever, and then you end up stepping on your sari and it ends up unraveling and you look like a mess and the pictures are bad and, you know, it's just a disaster. Cyrus knows.
Yes, I've
I've
seen
told
this.
him to untag me in several pictures. Just kidding. But I'm saying that, like, when you're traveling, like you're going to go out with your friends, or you're going for a Tash party in Diwali or whatever, you don't want to ask someone to drape your sari, you don't want to deal with it. So the palazzo sari, it's literally just pants. You put it on, you zip it up, and you throw your pallo over.
By the way.
It's the easiest.
And there's a zip here, and you just take this and you just put it
It's just like, it's like
2 minutes.
wearing a loose trouser that looks like a feminine sari. It's my dream come true in an outfit.
I love
because
wearing
I am really, like, I'm a tomboy, I'm clumsy, I'm just like, and I wear sneakers half the time. I'm all about comfort, so I love that. And that's going to be a constant in all our collections because, you know, looking beautiful should be easy also. It can't always be so complicated. And the second thing I would say, I also love the jeans, but the contemporary Indian, which is like the Mogra and the Mithai collection, are my favorite because I feel they're the most inventive. And, you know, you don't always want to overdress when you go to like an Indian occasion, like a puja or, you know, a Diwali party or even Holi or something like this. You don't want to always create like, because you're modern, urban girls, right? You want to go to work and then maybe you want to go to a
work
party.
if you guys want to wear. The Mithai print has this beautiful like tunics with churidars and stuff like
And they
that.
can all be worn with jeans and
Jeans,
jackets and things like that. So yeah, I feel like that's my favorite part. And I just like all the pieces of the collection that feel like they have
I
added
like everything.
I love everything.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sonam, hi, it's Ankita.
Hi, Ankita.
First of all, congratulations for Reason.
Thank you.
And Cannes 2017 is just round the corner.
We're leaving tomorrow. Don't
You're
talk
leaving
about it.
tomorrow and you're walking the red carpet on 21st and 22nd. So how excited you are, first of all, and how do we see Sonam this year? Along with this, Deepika Padukone is also making her debut in
Yeah.
Cannes under the same brand L'Oreal Paris.
Yes.
So
L'Oreal Paris, are we allowed to say that?
L'Oreal Paris, I mentioned. So, any advice or any wishes you would like to give her?
I mean, I hope she has a good time. Because I don't think I should be giving advice to someone who has already walked several international red carpets. I just believe in being myself, and honestly, my sister styles me. We haven't actually prepped that much this time because we had a brand that we were launching. I'm shooting for 2 films. She's making a film called Veere the Wedding. And for the past couple of years, we decided not to pressurize ourselves and just have a good time, and we've got the best reviews because of it. So we don't think about it too much. It's not about the status quo, status symbol of being on the red carpet. We're going for a brand. If it was a movie, I would be like, oh my God, I'm so stressed out. I'm going to faint on the red carpet. Can I go in my pajamas? But because it's for a makeup brand and it's something that I really enjoy doing, it's about looking beautiful. And you can only look beautiful if you're happy inside and if you are confident. And that is, again, something that is very empowering. And that's what my sister and I are trying to promote through our brand and through every appearance that we make, that it's okay to be yourself.
Hi.
Sonam ji,
Hi, congratulations to you all.
Thank you.
As you're talking about your teenage memories actually, तो कभी ऐसा कोई memory है जहाँ पर आप लोग inspired हुए तो कोई actress से seeing their clothes on the
Karishma
film,
Kapoor
हाँ,
in
और-
Dil To Pagal Hai.
Karishma Kapoor.
Oh my God, Lolo
she was
in Dil
so
To
hot.
Pagal Hai is my all-time. She's my fashion icon. in
I
that
think
movie.
Urmila and Rangila.
Yeah, Urmila and Rangila is so
Urmila
hot.
and Rangila was amazing. I mean, ये तो 90s के films हैं. I know मुझे कहना चाहिए वहीदा रहमान, रेखा and all, वो बहुत खूबसूरत but वो बहुत ही Indian, but I used to like Nutan. वो trousers पहनती थी और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगती थी, and she wore, so yeah, Sharmila Tagore, Nutan. But अगर हम 90s के बारे में बात करें, so even Raveena Tandon in that song, oh, Shilpa Shetty and Akshay Kumar in that song.
चुरा के
Dil Mera.
But have you ever tried like to copy them? Like, you go to a tailor and tell them, I want this particular dress. ऐसे कभी
मैं जब भी 13 साल की थी, 14 साल की थी, अगर मेरी मम्मी को कहा कि
18, 19 years.
no, 18 years old, मैं already acting कर रही थी तब तक.
या फिर कभी ऐसे ट्राई किया हो कि I want this particular dress, इस तरह का डिजाइन
No,
किया हो?
I thought that if I can get an outfit like Lolo, I'm gonna look so cool, but it was a mess.
No, हम लोग नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, Karishma has a
I'm not
very
sure.
different body type to me.
Picture and
सोनम जी एंड रिया जी आपके सामने
हाँ जी।
सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन
Thank you.
इसके अलावा हम सभी जानते हैं कि आप एक बेहतरीन एक्टर हैं एंड रिया जी आप एक प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं और अब ये क्लोथ भी आ रहा है आप लोगों का, तो हम ऐसा माने कि इन फ्यूचर आप लोग बिजनेस वुमेन बनने की तैयारियां कर रही हैं या हम
मगर हम like we said, there's no reason we can't. हम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की
मैंने सोचा हम बिजनेस वुमन ऑलरेडी बन गए थे.
हम मतलब फिल्म्स भी एक बिजनेस ही है. हाँ, मेरी बहन जो है वो 21 साल की थी जब उसने आयशा बनाई. और how old were you when खूबसूरत हुई?
I was 23 when it started. So no, we've been business women since we were very young. We've had our own businesses. I run Anil Kapoor Film Company.
She is the boss. I am her employee.
I mean, let's be honest, AK is the boss, but
He's
actually
really, he's somebody who's not present.
So yeah, we've really tried hard to be honest and smart businesswomen, but do it with whatever we're passionate about, what we love. We don't do anything unless we really love it.
जो चीज़ है वो हमारे जहन में है और हमें लगता है कि जो भी काम हम करें वो उसके साथ ही करें,
एंड रिया जी आपके घर में हमने देखा है ज्यादातर लोग एक्टर ही हैं, नेशनल अवार्ड विनर एक्टर हैं, तो आप भी प्रोड्यूसर, हम आपको भी देखेंगे इन फ्यूचर एक्टिंग में?
This is not enough. और कितना करूं भाई? मैं मर जाऊंगी. नहीं, I'm not a personality type. मेरी personality actor की personality नहीं है. I'm very.
What is an actor's personality?
No, I mean I feel like when you're an actor, you really have to trust other people and do it from from your heart. I am a big control freak. I don't trust anybody. I'm being honest.
I trust
I do everything myself. I try to do as much as I can myself. I'm crazy. I have to change that about myself, but I would have killed everyone. I can't do it. And I don't like looking at myself or hearing myself. So when you guys take pictures of me also, I feel pain. Like I'm very conscious and I'm not, I can say that. I don't feel bad about it. It's not me. And I never wanted to be famous.
We would like to see you act, right, Sai?
Yeah, come on.
I don't want to be famous. I like being unknown. I don't want people looking at me everywhere I go. I've grown up with a famous father, with a famous sister, and I understand fame. मुझे पता है, I know what it means, and I don't like it. To me, honestly, it's too much of a price to pay. I'd rather have my own life, and I'm just being honest. Like that's my priority, is to have a full life. I don't care if people don't recognize me or whatever.
Sorry, it's had an emotional breakout.
Thanks, Gopal.
Guys, we're down to our last question.
Yes, Cyrus.
I will ignore your question.
I have a question.
Yeah.
I have a question for Mr. Govind. Just wanted to ask you, which is the most selling product from the Rizwan collection?
Sorry, what's the
Best selling product.
So both of them have their favorite product, and one of her favorite product, the mom's jacket, is completely sold, and we are reordering.
The mom's jacket is one.
And even our bags.
Bags are doing also very well.
Very well. And they're non-leather.
Sold out. There is Gopal there.
Oh, they're sold
The
out?
scoreboard.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. They're sold out, most of them. So we've reordered them. It's brilliant.
Guys, thank you so much because of
Thank you.
shortage of
Thank
time.
you for
But
joining us.
thank you all so much for this wonderful chat. Thank you all for being such a gracious bunch of audience. Please join us for lunch, and thank you all very much. Any photographs?
Do you have any fashion tips?
Yes. Wear clothes. that all the non-actors are.
Both of your left down. Both of your left down. सोनम जी राइट साइड यहाँ पे both of you straight here सोनम here straight here कैमरा ऊपर कौन दे रहा है सोनम both of you straight सोनम राइट साइड सोनम राइट साइड both of you straight भाई धक्का नहीं दे रहा ये भाई नीचे बैठ जरा नीचे बैठो कौन है बोलू सोनम यहाँ पे